Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury watches. It's a Swiss watch company founded in 1980 and has become renowned for its innovative designs and unique watchmaking techniques. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Hublot, Hublot, Hub, Lot, Hublot. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Hublot, Hublot, Hub, Lot, Hublot. Hublot is celebrated for its iconic timepieces, often feature innovative materials like carbon fiber, ceramic, and sapphire crystal, showcasing Hublot's commitment to pushing the boundaries of traditional watchmaking. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Hublot, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.